Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how you can verify your emails that you just got from Apollo using API. So now what you're going to do is first clean your list and remove the excess data that you don't want, and then we are going to download this as CSV. So once this is downloaded, we are going to go on Reoon email verifier. So this is the domain, and you can manually one by one verify if you want to, if you have like 5 to 10 emails, but I have like 260 about, so I'm gonna upload that file over here and start verification. Now go to task details and see it verify in real time. It takes like less than a minute, so I will let it complete and then resume the video. So now that it has been completed, I gave it like 259 emails, and I got 218 safe and 2 valid. So we are going to take these two safe enroll ones. So select this safe enroll and then download as CSV and name your file. So I'll name it fashion verify, and then we can import it in this sheet only. Fashion verified, and then insert as new sheet. And this is your verified emails, and you can see everything about the email, the MX records and all, if you want to. And that's how you verify, and then it is good to go to your CRM. Thank you. And also one more thing, the emails that didn't get verified, like these unknown ones over here, you can further download it and then upload it to a different email verifier like million verifier and all, and you can get these emails also verified so that no lead is lost. Thank you.